first criminal trial of a former U.S. president has officially started.
Former President Donald Trump right there at a New York City courtroom right now as a jury is selected to decide if Trump falsified business records to hide hush money payments to cover up a sex scandal before the 2016 election. ABC's Christiane Cordero on day one of the trial.
He tried to work every legal angle to avoid this day. This morning, cameras followed former President Donald Trump as he departed Trump Tower, as his motorcade arrived at court, and as he took his seat, now set to stand trial in his hush money case. Along with former President Trump, hundreds of prospective jurors walked through the doors of criminal court. 12 will eventually decide whether to convict or acquit a former U.S. president of a crime for the first time ever.
The standard is not, do you know who the defendant is? That's not what it is. The standard is not, do you know anything about the case? The standard is, can this person objectively evaluate the evidence? And that's where it's going to be tricky.
The court is asking prospective jurors 42 questions, like have you ever attended a rally or campaign event for Donald Trump, and where they consume their media. Trump is charged with falsifying business records to conceal a hush money payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, who has alleged a long-denied affair.
For 9 straight months, the defendant held documents in his hand containing this key lie.
Trump has pleaded not guilty and denies any wrongdoing.
And all I can do is tell the truth. And the truth is that there's no case. They have no case.
The former president has made several efforts to avoid this first day on trial, including approximately a dozen attempts to delay the case and 2 attempts to have the judge taken off of the case. This morning, while complaining about a gag order imposed on him, Trump posted, "I want my voice back." He'll have the opportunity to be heard on the record and says he plans to take the stand in his own defense.
I would testify, absolutely.
No cameras allowed in court while it's in session. Still photographers were allowed in briefly this morning, and 3 veteran sketch artists are tasked with capturing the intangible, as one of them put it. Once the jury is seated, testimony will begin. That is expected to take another 4 to 6 weeks. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, New York.